Man fed birds nicely at first. Second man arrived to feed birds.
Okay, these birds are gonna be so well fed. They don't have to eat for another week or so. Now see why they gather over there so abundantly.
Man in red coat appears.
Oh, both the men that fed the birds is there. What's the odds of that happening? Oh my goodness, what did you catch? And so both men, he said bye to the man. I guess he let him know that he already fed the birds, and he let him know. Oh my goodness, the footage I get. And there goes the men passing as I sat in my car waiting for them to drive by. They just drove by, actually twice. Alrighty. I guess the protector of his birds is feeling some sort of way. He's probably like, I already fed y'all. And he came and fed y'all again. The protector of the birds.
Bird
Yes,
snatcher
well,
remained. Then
the day has just begun. Oh my shit. He just grabbed one of the birds. There he go. He just grabbed
it
one.
happened.
There we go.
Bird snatcher
In
got
action.
birdie.
He grabbed the bird and then released it. So he's not a bird lover. What is wrong with that man? I done seen it all. I am so glad I got this on footage. You can't make this up.
Pigeon. Why can't I be in Italy? Beware of bird snatchers,
The
dressed
man
in new white
himself, I
clothing.
will call this footage the strange bird.